Wenganza wethu ngiyethemba ukuthi niyaphila. Ayike wenganza wethu obhuti lo obonakala kule video sephumelo bala waveza ukuthi cha akasike umuntu wesifazane futhi uyakhuza ke insizwa lezi ezimshelayo kwi-inbox wakhe mase ivezela ukuthi ungumuntu wesilisa mase ke ziyaqhasha insizwa. Uthi ke lokho wenganza wethu ningenzi ngathi ke anazi. Nayi ivideo yakhe sidedele echaza konke nezithombe zakhe ke seke zasabalala einkundleni zokuxhumana la khona ke kubonakala into ke engathi ke isitho sangasese.
Ngiyangimangaza ukuthi there are people on my Facebook abangazi ukuthi I'm gay. Hayibo idrama yenu anazi mina ukuthi ngistabane manje angisakwazi ukuthi ngistabane. You don't know that I'm gay. Ibhayo yami iyasho ukuthi I'm gay. Guys, I'm not a woman. Angisiyeni umuntu wesifazane. Can we please get that out of your head? Ikhipheni la emakhanda enu, ikhipheni, because nifike nishele mase nizothi oh bengingazi uqamba manga. I don't understand this culture online. Yoguti, people will just take something and then just run with it, regardless of what the consequences are for the person who is being victimized. And it's terrible, considering the fact that akekho umuntu omncane la kule social media, sonke sibadala, but people want to bully people on social media, and it is sickening. It is sickening. I understand the fact that you guys were shocked. I'm a guy, I'm not a girl, this, that. Why are you now creating a narrative that isn't there? Why are you wanting to create a narrative? On top of that, I've never been umuntu othanda attention. That is why even on social media, I hardly post. Post my stories. I hardly comment on anything. I hardly say anything on social media. This one time where I decide, no, you know what? Let me clear the air regarding my sexuality, what I am, who I am. People decide to go to my Facebook, take a picture, and circulate it on social media and say it's a penis. That is bizarre. Apart from it being bizarre, can you imagine Leondo isifika kumawam osontayo ilethwa umzalwane asonta naye mama umkhize, what is happening ngengane yakho? Sibona ABCDEFG angaze ngisiphathe kanjalo. Number one. Number two, what picture are you painting to my parent about me angasazi ngami? Do you understand? So I think when we try to create a cloud and all of these things, let's also consider the people aba affected such as abazali, such as my siblings, my brothers, because they are also existing. So we need to be very careful when we do all these things because they are ridiculous. They are ridiculous. If it was someone else, that is how people kill themselves. And yet, people are just so inhuman. They just don't care. As long as they get the like, as long as they get the share. And it's like, what world are you living in that you victimize people? What world are you living in? And it's quite saddening to see, because and for the most part it's predominantly wesilisa who are on my social media and they're like, oh no, it's a penis, it's a this, it's a that. Why are straight men so concerned about EPP? I don't get it. As a gay person, I don't get why that is a concern. I don't get why it's an immediate concern to straight people and women as well. So while you are circulating all these pictures, I think it's quite important to consider, I have parents, I have brothers. When these things happen in social media, it has an effect on them. It affects my mother. It's going to affect my brothers. Excuse me. I may not know how or when, but eventually it's going to do so. Can you imagine my brother is getting into an altercation with someone and then someone uses that to attack him because of me? So it's quite saddening to see what I thought would be a positive thing by telling people, no, listen, I'm not a woman, I'm a guy, and I would like you guys to be aware moving forward. Should you approach me knowing I'm a guy. You go and then look for pictures simply because ufuna ukuthi le image oyibonile enhle mayibe tarnished. It is just crazy. It's crazy to me. And abantu abadala, it's adult people. And I sort of now actually empathize with a lot of celebrities who go through all of this on a day-to-day basis, where people are just like, with what is going on in Bulenyamo, people having opinions. Guys, sibadala. But you find so many people on social media just ready to bully, share, ridicule, and do this and do that. And it's just such a sad thing to see. It is such a sad thing to see. Like, I don't know, I'm personally fine. I don't care because I know ukuthi it's inkaba. But I'm just really, really concerned about Uma when my mother is approached about this, or my father, or even my brothers. That is my concern. I mean, I'm good. I'm used to homophobic people. I'm used to homophobic slurs. I'm used to people having opinions in Bulenyam. So I'm absolutely good, but I'm just concerned about how this is going to affect my parents. So moving forward, sengathi Papa on social media, siphape sicabange ukuthi behind lo muntu khona abantu abamzalile, khona ama-siblings. And also, naye lo muntu endihlekisa ngaye on social media, unama-feelings. What is going on? Like, why am I bully? You guys need therapy. Do you think it's therapy?